Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a question that I hear quite often, which is if you don't have enough money to do a SEO contract, let's say like a 6-month contract, you don't have enough money to hire a SEO agency or a SEO consultant, should you go out and just get a SEO tool like Ahrefs, SEM Rush, or Moz? Now, I've heard a lot of SEO consultants say that that's what you should do. And I don't like that advice. I think that that's incomplete. I think it's not the best advice, and I'm going to tell you why. A lot of times, I've seen people do that, on a budget, which is fine. And they'll use an SEO tool, and one in particular is really bad about this. I've seen a lot of people take this particular SEO tool's advice and jack their site up. I've seen people implementing AMP to make it faster because this tool told them to, or disavowing links because this tool suggested that they should, and done a bunch of other things that basically just made their SEO go farther down instead of going up. And so I really don't like relying on a tool to tell me what to do. Those are okay for certain things. Like if you're trying to figure out should I put my keyword in my title tag, or things like that, that's fine. Or if it's telling you hey, your competitors have links from these sites and you don't, that's fine. But I don't like relying on a tool. Because I've seen too many people do damage to their websites and their SEO by just following that suggestion. My suggestion is, if you don't have enough money to hire a SEO agency or consultant for a longer term engagement, and you want to do it yourself, you want to DIY, what I'm going to say to you is find a consultant that you trust. Maybe pay them to sit with you for an hour. You could do that. Go over some stuff an hour or two maybe. That's something you could do. Another thing you could do is get a professional SEO audit, and I don't mean an automated audit. I mean a real audit, and we do this. There's other consultants that I could point you toward that do these as well. But a lengthy, thick audit of your site, giving you a battle plan of what to do. And then if you want to go and do it yourself, great. But if you can't afford a multi-month contract with SEO, you should probably still talk to a person. Relying on tools alone is not advisable, and only because I've seen too many people just blindly follow that advice, and they're like, why am I not ranking? Why is my rankings either flatlined or they're going down worse? Not everything a tool will tell you is what you need to do. Sometimes there's things outside of what the tools will tell you. Well, I should say oftentimes, most of the time, there are things that the tools don't and cannot easily measure because they're not tapped into all the different places that you should be looking, especially when it comes to off-page and on-page and telling you analysis of what's actually ranking. Why is that thing ranking? Tools are very good at analyzing backlinks and saying hey, this site has backlinks from these high domain authority sites, and maybe that's why they're ranking high. But not always, because I've seen sites that don't have a lot of links that rank high. So there's more to it, obviously. I hope that answers this question. Talk to a human being. Don't rely just on a tool. That's not the best advice. But if you don't have a lot of money, either get a human curated audit or talk to a professional, pay for a couple hours of their time, have them look at your site, and then that way at least you have a second opinion besides just a tool. Hope that makes sense. My name's John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. I'm here every single day making videos on SEO. Thank you to all the subscribers that have come on in the last month or so. Really appreciate it. I will be here tomorrow as well. That's all I have for now. Until next time. Peace.